It's me, Jimmy Eric. So the question is that is the International Business Management Institute IBMI worth it? Number one thing, my problem with this crappy institute is that they are using the IBMI. So whenever you let me just calm down. IBMI is mostly gaining their customer is from Facebook marketing. So whenever you're scrolling Facebook, they will be say only $9.9, $10 per month business certificate you can get from IBMI. They are trying to be deceptive. Why? I'm not talking about the price. I'm talking about their intention. They want themselves to be a brand as IBM. IBM International Business Machine, one of the biggest tech company in the world. Thanks, they build some of the best laptop. They build some of the best. They build the supercomputer also. IBM, everyone know IBM. Before IBM sold their ThinkPad division to the Lenovo, IBM was the king in the laptop manufacture. So this crappy IBMI want you to think that you are going to get a $10 certificate from IBM. No, you are going to get from IBMI. So it's called deceptive marketing. It's try to appear something which you are not. Okay. And second problem is that it's quite crappy. Most of the it's like readable material. You're only paying $10 for readable garbage. Anyway, let's jump to the screen and let me show you. And my personal opinion, do not sue me. Do not sue me. This is my personal opinion. Okay, let me jump to the screen. So now let's search the IBMI. Again, they basically keep this name IBMI just people can deceive that it's IBM. It's not IBM. It's IBMI. What a deceptive name. I'm surprised that IBM is not suing them. International Business Management Institute, really. Okay, let me just browse the course. Again, most of the courses are just text written. I mean, I just cannot recommend this kind of, for example, like marketing, communication. Okay, 3 hours self-paced. Again, I do not think there will be like a single video in this course. I just do not recommend that. It's much better. I mean, it's much better. Let me go to Amazon. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, read this book, The Personal MBA, or in my opinion, I am doing one of the courses from Udacity also. Sorry, Udemy also. Like, okay. I think this one is I bought, right? Let me just double click and see. Okay, yeah, MBA. This one you purchase this course. Yeah, this is much better than that crap. This one will be cheaper. That crappy IBMI crappy certificate, which will be on a tax, will be costing you around $15. Let me open in a private tab to show you the pricing. Okay, it's for $12. In my personal opinion, I'm doing this one course. Okay, stay away from IBMI crap. It was me, G-Magic. Just get this MBA business lesson from CEO. Subscribe and bye.